Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and here at 111 Canning Street, we're delighted to take you through. Come with us for a quick tour. If you appreciate period features like LED light, tongue and groove walls, and high ceilings, if the family hub is the kitchen, then this kitchen is definitely for you.
It's only gonna arrive once. Feel it, at least. It's right there.
With an expansive pool and entertaining area, it's also got its own bar. Connecting to the backyard and entertaining space, you've got this great utility area which has its own bathroom. With rear lane access into this driveway space, you've got plenty of room for your boats and caravan. If you'd like to know more about this home, feel free to give the team a call. We would love to help you out.